Hey everyone, Ralph and Lily back for another shift at the Firehouse. We're continuing the shift from last time. Um, let's everyone get some sleep before the next call comes in, right? Hey, where's Tender?
Outside. I had to get fill it with water.
Copy that. Alright,
Ale's one is in bunk 3.
copy. You guys get some rest, find a place. I'm gonna head into my office.
Aiming with a bit of speed there, don't you?
Alice one is reading a book right now. Copy. I'm in bunk 3, don't worry about pick up. I can just hang out on the chair and all that. The lady laid down and this is real life. My character would laying down.
Rescue 1 and Enable 1. Respond to first responder.
Okay. Well, thank gosh I was reading a book.
Copy that, we're responding. Engine 1, Engine 10, and Tender 1. Respond to grass fire. At 216 Independence Parkway. Battalion 1's on location. We have multiple trees on fire. Engine 10, Tender 1, and Engine 10. Engine 1, Engine 10, Tender 1, all hit it. Fire attack. Copy that. Don't know what the closest hydrant is, but... Ladder 1, you will be at large for all incoming emergencies outside of the brush fire. Alright, Tender 1, you can go ahead and shut down. I'm gonna release you from the scene. Negative, we're gonna strike this out. We pretty much got this fire out. Yep, all units, fires out. All units can clear and return to quarters. interesting thing about your rig is it already has scene lighting.
I already turned I like the flashing scene letting
The side lights are not supposed to flash white. They're supposed to flash red, but you know, gotta pick your fights.
I mean, you can always set the torque tires as steady red of white or steady red of red.
I'm gonna be
Steady.
filling up engine.
steady red actually looks really fun.
Rescue 1 from Battalion 1.
So far.
I'm gonna send you a message.
Oh yeah, Meister brings the township kind of switched east to all of the pursuit units.
Especially when I went on side where you know it'll be unpredictable.
Yep.
Anyways, yeah, Meister switched the police. They're slowly going to
Engine 1, what's your location? Copy. Whoa! Alright. Station 1. Respond to aircraft emergency. Highway 55. This is gonna be a big one, guys. All units are urged to respond to code green fire. Be mindful of traffic. Copy that. We're going to be responding down Highway 55. Let me guess, you found it. Go ahead. I'll be taking command. Battalion 1's on scene. Let's get Engine 1 and Engine 10 on fire attack. This is probably the biggest call we've had in a while. Copy that. Stroke protocol. We have a victim back here. We have multiple victims. Requesting a second ambulance. Yeah, if you can grab, if you can head to River City Metro, borrow an ambulance. Ladder 1, same traffic, bring in a secondary ambulance. No, both bullhorns. We're gonna bring in all hands for this because we do have a second incident as well just now popping up.
I must say, we all parked horribly.
Which one is that? Would that
Actually, no, we
be?
didn't.
That is actually a good parking job for an emergency like this. Because this would usually have this area shut down.
Especially with ladders and walkers, if you really think about it, somewhere to get that.
Which post should I go back to responding to?
The aircraft emergency.
Springfield, yeah.
Aircraft emergency takes priority. Alright, engine 1 and ladder 1, can you take that along with engine 10? Rescue 1, remain on location to assist patients.
I have so many patients that want to have. Oh my. Oh my. No, I'm already transferring too many.
Yeah, go ahead and...
You.
Yeah, a second ambulance is en route. You go. You go.
Really, really bad.
Metro's on scene.
Okay, I was trying to get. Don't hit any of the engines.
This is the first time we've actually shown Metro because Metro is very rare to see around these parts.
They only respond when they need a secondary.
Not me.
I wasn't trying.
That's why I backed up. I was like, yep, no, we're not going to be throwing the stretcher again.
There should be one back here. We still have another patient back here.
We have the African American male up front and the Caucasian male up back. With another one.
Copy. We still have one more patient. We'll be waiting for ALS1 to return.
Yes, sir. I so many patients.
Yeah, this, like I said, this was a major incident.
And of course I'm stuck.
Oh, no. Keep pushing forward. Keep pushing forward. We'll help. Go, go, go.
You guys are gonna be alright. Just do what happens.
Go ahead. Copy. We're waiting on ALS1 to return. Metro Fire will take the Springfield call. Battalion 1 will be clear. Rescue 1, once ALS1 returns, respond to the fire. Battalion 1 has been cleared off of the major emergency. Respond to the structure fire. Battalion 1's on scene. We'll be assuming command. Battalion 1 to all units. What's your who was initial fire command? Okay. Command Engine 1. Can you give me a status report? Copy.
Did you say where the downtown Springfield location is?
It will never say that for downtown Springfield calls.
That's stupid.
Well, there's not much you can do about it. It's one general area. Go ahead.
Except they're going around flying.
Copy. We're on Liberty Way and Main Street. The fire is going pretty good over the roof. Copy that. Fire's clear. All units can clear. Return to quarters. That's a red light. I turned my camera and all of a sudden I'm about to run a red light. I'm like, "Ugh." Copy that. Copy that. Battalion 1's back in quarters. Metro Fire, when you're clear of the Springfield call, you can return.
Oh my gosh, MC, maybe close the door at the same time.
Yeah, I really hate the way the rescues went down like this. I've always hated it. I mean, like,
Joey transformed.
Wait, what?
yeah, Rescue 1, I don't know if you ever noticed this, is that Rescue 1's actually on a slight angle. Yeah, she's on a slight angle. I mean, very unnoticeable, but we haven't, like, maybe even noticed it.
She's on a very
Slight
God, now I can't unsee it. Oh my God.
that.
Well, she's seen some use, so I don't.
angle.
Her suspension's probably toast.
The way she's just. That. Oh, my OCD needs me, dude.
Yeah.
I didn't. Actually.
That's the one really step back here where I am. And now look straight at it.
Sort of. It's more noticeable when you're right up close to it.
Yeah, look at the back, especially. Oh my gosh, that corner is throwing me up.
Alright.
That's the one thing I despise about the rescues has like that. So other than that, I love it.
They need to make customizable lights on them. I think, yeah, lights, the headlights. They need to make them custom.
Yeah, I hope we get a rotor ray. I really hope we get a rotor ray.
Oh, that would be sweet.
Imagine they added a EQ2B to the ambulance. Or actual cue like the one on the fire engines. That'd be pretty funny. Just hearing the cue from the ambulance start up.
Joey back at station.
Copy. Yeah. It'll be nice to have Tender 1 back.
Also, they really need to add a EQ siren to this battalion chief vehicle.
Oh god.
No! 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 No!
Why? Why no? What?
That is very department specific. Almost 95% of departments always use the standard PD grade sirens.
That's my end day who uses the Q sign on the front of their freaking Tahoes.
I would rather have the EQ2B or the wheel and mechanical.
The EQ2B on the rest of the rigs would be nice. Having the different whale, because I do not like the whale that we have on the other ones.
Or how about the wheel and mechanical?
Hey, where's our tender? We're looking for our tender.
Okay, I'm getting off.
Engine 1 to Battalion 1.
Go ahead.
I added engine 10 to the VC.
By the way,
I
should they?
added it to the Discord.
So, what would be a better
Copy.
siren for like the fire department? Wheel and mechanical or the Screaming Eagle?
The what?
The Screaming Eagle. It sounds like a Q, but it's made in California.
It sounds like the dying eagle that decided to give its life to this crazy little spot. Huh, makes
No,
sense.
no Screaming Eagle. That sounds like a Q, but
Either way, the ones that For the ones I'd like are the whale and the Yelp of the EQ2B.
I honestly want a sword call. Like the sword one you typically hear, not the one we hear in games.
Yeah, that would be nice to have that as well.
Yeah, actual 2 options for the power call. Like you set it in the menu to either slow or fast. Or how about a double power call, like sometimes. That would throw me off, just hearing it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Rescue 1, I'm sending you another text.
By the way, you know how the every other fire vehicles like amber lights in there?
Nah, I didn't. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Alright, Engine 1, I'm going to reroute you to the opposite side of the bridge. Rescue 1, same traffic. We're going to need to get on the opposite side of the bridge to assist.
ALS-1 is taking the concrete bridge since the bridge is down.
Looks like just the vehicle from this side. I can't tell from the other side, so... We're gonna have ladder 1 stay on this side of the bridge to block off the bridge. We're all gonna respond on the farm side. We also have a brush fire, so 10 to 1 is urged to respond to the brush fire. Oh, wait. Okay, Rescue 1, Ladder 1 can both respond. We just get that fire, that vehicle fire. Oh, great. Okay, Engine 10, Rescue 1, and Ladder 1, please respond to the brush fire downtown Springfield. Go ahead. Negative. We're gonna try to make it up that hill. Depending on where it is. Do we have eyes on the fire? Which section of the hill? Oh wait, you guys said it was downtown Springfield, right? Okay, so we'll go up the auxiliary entrance then. See where you guys are. Yeah, we can make it up there. It's the same hill we climbed for the cabin fires. Yeah, if ladder 1 can make it up here, rescue 1 can.
Okay, ALS one is gonna I will be right back later. Sorry. I just got to Over.
Rescue 1, not up there, not up there.
I apologize for any inconveniences that I have to take care of right now.
That's fine.
Mom is
You can go ahead and deal with it. Yeah, we'll be done recording by then. Alright, fire's out. We can clear. Oop. Why did you grab that? You did not need to grab that. The other one's gonna be clear, and you can show me back in quarters.
ALS 1 is back on communications right now. They being a memorial for something. I will be right back to the server. I'm kind of having a morning time right. Over.
Rescue 1,
Go for it.
sending you something.
Bad time going up the hill. Bad time.
The Spirit Engine 10's name in the VCs with Ron James. Just letting you know, so you can get his name down.
That's fine.
Alright, just letting you know in case you needed to.
Just know that we want to cool down timer.
Copy that.
ALS 1 right away.
By the way, you might need to refill.
Oh, my microphone. I will reset it. Sorry about that.
You're down to 25%. Oh, rescue 1. Wait, we do not have a medic for this.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Wait, I'm gonna rejoin you. Yeah. Don't worry. Rejoining, sir. Oh yeah, I forgot I already have Easter candy. Wait, I'm just gonna eat it.
Thanks for reminding me, Battalion 1.
No worries.
Would have gone out with that tech.
Still number 40. As top 40.
ALS 1 is just gonna tell you, I'm eating chocolate candy, so if you hear like plastic noises, it's just me or
Oh, by the way, Engine 10, you're one bay off. But I think we can actually put you forward now because we do not have tender.
ALS 1 is back in the server. Repeat,
So you
back
can
in-
go ahead and pull out and pull into this bay.
Remember,
Yeah, we don't have tanker anymore right now, so we can bring in spare Engine 10 into this room.
I don't know what he's doing.
Rescue 1 ALS.
No, you should be fine. You should be fine. Just go ahead and bring her in. Spare engine into here.
Rescue 1, what is it?
Your patient will be at the gas station near the farm, on the far top gas station.
Yes,
Rescue
sir.
1 will be patient side.
Yes, sir, I will be right there.
No. You're good. You're good. Just go ahead and bring the engine in and turn it around.
You know what? Don't the idea of just getting my uniform on. I don't know.
Watch out, fire.
Take cover.
I did not expect it to do that. I thought he was gonna pull out.
And turns out that my ambulance. Are you kidding me?
But yeah, you guys can see the mass design difference between the two rigs. What was that?
Why?
What sound?
Nearly hit us.
Okay, ALS 1 is en route to the barn area. Over.
Copy that. Well, it's almost morning, so
The sun has risen.
it's early morning. Our shift is coming to a close.
It has rised.
It's currently 6:07. We got 2 hours left of our shift. Our next shift will be next weekend. But we still have 2 hours of the shift. Anything can happen. Like that! Battalion 1's responding. Residential structure fire. Battalion 1. Rescue 1. Engine 1. Engine 10. Ladder 1. Respond to structure fire. Rescue 1, you're being requested due to the nature of the fire. All incoming units, Battalion 1's on location of a 2-story wood frame residential structure on Academy Place. We have a working fire on the Alpha side. Hydrant will be on the corner in front of the structure. There is little bits of black smoke, but we're going to start with the primary search. Rescue 1, upon arrival, your primary search along with Truck 1. Engine 1, you'll start water supply. Hold water until we can get primary search complete.
10-4. Engine 1 is currently out of operation. I will be back any minute.
Oh, it's residential. I thought it was the outdoor store. Okay, hold on.
It said that, but I don't know why it's doing that. This is clearly in the housing suburb.
For some reason, my amp forwards at the same time. I do not know what this did.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay, I got it. My headset was deciding to not be cooperative.
And thanks for what?
Are you okay, Risky?
That's why you clear intersections. There's someone take some planet. Yeah.
Yeah, I closed my eyes.
Okay, rescue one, go ahead and pull in front of ladder 1. Engine 10, what's your ETA? Oh, coming around the corner. We're having rescue 1 and ladder 1 do primary search of the structure before putting water on the fire. Engine 10, that's a good spot. You're kind of parked on someone's hose line. Rescue 1, primary search. And I have yet to do 360 yet. Whoa, Rescue 1, what's going on over there? You just got seriously injured.
No, I'm great.
You're down to half health.
Okay, well, it's 22 then, so my bad.
Correction, all units stay out of the structure. There's been a previous unknown danger coming out of the Charlie side. Is there anyone still inside the structure? Okay, let's hit it. Let's have ladder 1 take care. Yep. I almost forgot to do 360. I would have noticed that immediately. No, we've had a lot of brush fires. We haven't really done mostly structure fires. Plus, we've been doing mostly PE role plays recently. So, it's the touch out of practice. Rescue 1 usually takes hazmat. Someone was asking who takes hazmat, since we don't have really a hazmat unit, and I'm like, Rescue 1 does. I think we can send 2 people inside through the garage. Do not enter through the front door. Make sure you're masked up. All units, fires out. We can clear up and return to quarters. No worries. Zone 1 will be clear. Return to quarters. Rescue 1, you got one last call. But without further ado, I think that'll do it for this episode. I want to thank everyone for watching. And if you like what you're seeing, please feel free to join us in future recordings. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!